Morning everyone, let's continue chapter number 4, acids, bases and salts. We have completed two topics. It's a number 1, acids, and second topic, classification of acids. Next one we have a homework, and it's a solution of the homework day 2. And let's start the first one question. What are the organic acids? Give two examples. Answer: acids which are naturally occurring and are found in plants and animals, they are called organic acids. And the example of organic acids, it is hydrochloric acid HCl, sulfuric acid H2SO4, and nitric acid HNO3. Second question, we have to give the examples of two strong acids and weak acids. Strong acids, it is a sulfuric acids and hydrochloric acids. Weak acid, acetic acid and oxalic acid. Number 3, we have to write the full form of DIL, which is shown in this bottle, and the full form of DIL, it is diluted, and it is diluted sulfuric acid. Now let's start the next topic. It's a basis. We have done about the acids everything. Now it is about the bases. Bases are generally bitter in taste, and if you talk about the acids, it is sour. एसिड्स आपके पास सार होते थे, बट हेयर बेसिस आर बिटर इन टेस्ट. द सब्सटेंसेस which are bitter to taste and have basic ingredients. It means that substances which are made up of basic ingredients, their taste is bitter and their solution are called basic solution. Here in the figure you can see examples of the basic solution, or are in the solution form or in the liquid form. They are called bases. Next one, we have next one, and in the next case you have to also draw this in the fair notebook. In the fair notebook you have to also draw this. It is about the sources of bases, or we can say that these all are synthetic. These all are synthetic. You have to draw this in the fair notebook. First one, it is the lime water. It is basic in nature. Window cleaner, we use the ammonium hydroxide. In case of lime water we use calcium hydroxide. These all are the bases, example of bases. And next one, in soap, which one is present? It is sodium potassium hydroxide. Next one, it is milk of magnesia, which is also known as antacid. It is used to get the relief from the acidity. Whenever there is a too much acid in our stomach, we use base to neutralize this, and this is called milk of magnesia. And the base which is here, it is magnesium hydroxide. Next one, we have baking soda, and baking soda is made up of sodium bicarbonate, and this is also a basis. Next one, these are the properties, and in the sum up we have number 1, they are bitter in taste, they are slippery to touch. Slippery to touch means just like a soap, when you touch this it slips from your hand, so that's why they are slippery to touch. They conduct electricity. Conduct electricity means when you form a solution, and if you dip here 2 rods and with the bulb, and this bulb start glowing, it means that they conduct electricity. If you check this one is common. Just like in acids, it also conduct electricity, and the bases also, just like in acids it conduct electricity, bases also conduct electricity. Few bases, the bases which are soluble in water, not all the bases, only few bases which are soluble in water, they are called alkali. The bases which are soluble in water, they are called alkalis, and the example is sodium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide. And few bases are not soluble in water. It means that some bases are soluble in water, they are termed as alkalis, and few bases are not soluble in water. And the next one we have here, uses of bases. Where are the bases used? Just like in acids, they are naturally occurring, and we use the acids so many ways. And here it is all about the bases. First of all, we have a NaOH. This is sodium hydroxide. It is used to make soap, paper, oven cleaner and products to unclog drains. Sodium hydroxide is used in soap and paper. Next one, calcium hydroxide. It is used in making cement and plaster. Ammonia is found in household cleaner, or ammonium hydroxide is also there. Ammonia, it is present in household cleaner. Ammonium hydroxide is also there. Magnesium hydroxide and aluminum hydroxide are used as antacid to treat heartburn or to remove the acidity. In simple words, to remove the acidity. Here I want to explain one thing here. Just like the acid plus base and it gives salt and water, neutralization. So न्यूट्रलाइजेशन का बेस्ट वन एग्जांपल यहाँ पर आपके पास दिया हुआ है. जब भी कभी एसिडिटी की प्रॉब्लम होती है, इट मीन्स दैट देयर इज अ रिलीज ऑफ HCl एसिड. वी नो दैट HCl एसिड is present in stomach, and to neutralize this we use base here, and acid plus base we know that we neutralize the effect or cancel the effect of acidity, and we get salt and water. Next, it is a homework, and the homework bases are generally dash. In test base cleaner you have to write the window cleaner and the base present, it is the dash. Ingestion is painful, so we get the relief by using dash, and it is the magnesium hydroxide. But what we call this? And number 4, dash is an example of a water soluble. You have to write the example of a base here, and in the A part write the 2 acids, name of 2 acids with formula. Keep in mind, also learn the formula. Examples of 2 acids, 2 bases, write the formula and the name of the bases. Write the name of 2 bases with formula and write 2 uses each. So everything it is in the PPT, and also draw this one diagram in the fair notebook. Draw this one diagram in the fair notebook. It is also important, and follow the PPTs. And one thing I want to tell you, don't depend on these PPTs, only PPTs. If you don't understand any topic, go to the book and read thoroughly all the topics for the better understanding. Keep in mind, first follow the PPTs, then after go to the book and do homework regularly for better understanding, as these 2 chapters are very important. They makes the base of the chemistry. Chapter number 3 and 4, these are very important chapter, and the rest of the chapters, so easy chapters are there in a chemistry. And even I don't think bio is a difficult one. And about the physics, it is too much difficult. Physics, just like the motion, light, and 2-3 chapters are also there. So I will keep making these PPTs for the better understanding. And in my comment section, if you have any problem, you can write it, and I will solve your problem. So do the homework, and thank you.